How to transform your built-in closet to a custom closet on a budget. I've had a lot of virtual clients request help with their closets. One thing I've noticed with most of these closets is they were either built for the previous owner or by the builder. And while they look pretty, they are not custom closets. So I'm going to share my easy tricks for how to transform your closet into a custom closet without spending a ton of money. Step 1, declutter. The first step to any closet transformation is to remove all the unwanted stuff. If you don't wear it, remove it from your closet. Don't let your closet turn into a dumping ground either. I've had a few clients who use their closets for extra storage. Try to keep your closet for clothes and your storage space for storage. Step 2, add shelving. The easiest way to transform your built-in closet is to set it up for your needs. Assess what type of clothing you have. Do you have a ton of hanging pants, maybe dresses, shirts? Based on what you have and wear, figure out what is lacking in your closet. For example, if your closet has lots of space for long hanging items, but you don't really need it, you can add a bar to hold more clothes. Lowe's has Rubbermaid laminate boards that you can customize to size. Have Lowe's cut the board so it fits perfectly in your closet. To measure, either measure inside the shelf you already have or measure from the inside of the other side of the shelf. Step 3, add hanging space. You can also add hanging space to your closet by having Lowe's cut a rod to the size you need. This is really helpful if you need more space for clothes to hang because you are turning a built-in closet into something that's custom for you. Use bins. Finally, if your closet has lots of shelving and things aren't staying in place, you can add bins to create ample storage. To transform your built-in closets to custom closets, start with decluttering your space. Remove all unwanted items. Make a plan to add shelving or hanging space. Then head to your local Lowe's to have them cut wood boards to fit snugly into your built-ins. Then add bins to create extra storage. Make sure to follow for more.